Ki khubor ka bate se TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangbak Jilla o Konrad Ki Sangma haka laipau terek ujalio arjar punrio ulapente baka Meghalaya Shen kan sayo yaka Meghalaya House ka Pathamai ha Navi Mumbai bat ha Hyderabad hadin baka Sorkar Maharashtra kala menjur ban ay yaka Jaka ka bahe siajar khandai spa sanpo square meter ka basyong dor nyuklur haka dor Sorkar nakador yathit pajba ka bakot khandai poklur Hak jekaran bat kilat patai kubor. Menteri Rangba ulapentip baka Sorkar Telangana. Kala kular da kaktin ban a Jaka ha Hyderabad nakabenta ka ni kaju ka jingthumu. Kanang ban pensuk ki samla puli ki nongpang bat ya ki nongsong shnong ki balet shabar jalla.
I'm very happy to inform you that the government of Maharashtra has agreed to give land to government of Meghalaya for the construction of a new Meghalaya house. The land which was there, which was a new land which has been given to us, was at a rate, the market rate was about 90 crores. I had appealed and requested to the Honorable Chief Minister if that land could be given to us at government rate, which is at about 7 crores. And it's obviously a huge difference. I'm happy to inform you that the government of Maharashtra has agreed, and we are getting that land at 7 crores and not at 70 or 80 crores the market rate. And I'm sure that this new land which we're getting in Maharashtra, this is going to be Navi Mumbai side, will be of great benefit to our people, and we expect that we'll be able to create a larger public area for it. I have been very clear with my team that this should be more on a public oriented Meghalaya house, more towards a guest house, more towards allowing students and patients and other people who require that place to come in. So I think that's something that we are really pushing. So I expect that process also to close very soon. But again, this is good news for us. I also would like to share that in my recent visit to Hyderabad, I got an opportunity to meet the Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana in Hyderabad. And I have also written a letter and appeal to him that if the government of Telangana could give land for Meghalaya House in Hyderabad, because again, Hyderabad is one of the metro cities, technically speaking, and a large number of our population is there. And I'm very happy to inform you that the Honorable Chief Minister has very readily agreed to give land to Meghalaya in Telangana, in Hyderabad, for the construction of Meghalaya House. So we should be getting the written response very soon. Verbally, he has given a commitment to us, and the terms and conditions also, I'm very hopeful, will be very, very favorable for us, which I don't want to share right now. But once we get the formal letter, I will be sharing all the details. But definitely, it's a very positive step where another new Meghalaya House, apart from Noida, Greater Noida in Uttar Pradesh, then Bangalore, where we are about to finish the renovation of the new Meghalaya House, and then the new land in Navi Mumbai, and the new land in Hyderabad, and also the construction of the new Meghalaya House in Vellore will also take place. The work for that also is going to start. We're going to shift the existing space into a guest house area, which will take on rent, and we'll quickly construct the Meghalaya House. So these 5 new projects under Meghalaya House for the people of our state who normally go to these different locations will be deeply benefited from these new infrastructures coming out in different states and different parts of the country.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.